What's inside this box? iPhone 12 mini. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon. So if you saw from a previous video, we unboxed the beast, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, one of the best colors. I think Pacific blue and then the gold, in my opinion. But now we're gonna look at the smallest in the family, the iPhone 12 mini. Look how small the box is. Let me see if I could find the 12 Pro Max box. So this is the 12 Pro Max box. And if you're living under a rock and you're realizing why the box is so small, it's because that these boxes don't ship with a power adapter anymore. So we only get the charger cable and some paperwork inside. But yeah, I got this in the base model 64 gigs, the green one, which I think is the best color option for the iPhone 12s. So yeah, let's jump inside the box and see what we have inside here. So let's get started. Everybody loves that paper. Put it to the side. Then here we go. Yeah. This is tiny, bro. What? Let's put this to the side. And as I mentioned before, we only get the Lightning to USB-C cable inside. Lightning to USB-C. We don't get the power adapter. You have to buy that separately. And then we also get this small paperwork that has our SIM ejector tool, the Apple stickers, and just a couple notes showing you how to use the iPhone. But now, this is the 12 mini. Imagine having this at your ears. Hello? Yes, yo. Nah, this is weird, bro. Who still uses the phone? Who still answers the phone like this? Everybody has headphones anyways. But we're gonna take this paper off. There we go. Yes, sir. And first, nah, bro, what? Yeah, this is like a little toy. Look how small this is in my hands, bro. I have like, not the biggest hands, but my hands kind of big still. Let's compare it to the 12 Pro Max. You guys can see the 12 mini. Damn. So there you go. Quick comparison between the two. 12 Pro Max is massive compared to the mini. Alright guys, so the 12 mini has just been finished set up. I've been playing around with it and everything, and honestly, I don't know who would be interested in a phone like this. It's super small in terms of like the screen size and everything. If you're wondering, it's the same screen quality as the 12 Pro Max and the 12, so they're all using OLED displays. So this is 5.4 inches and this is a 6.7 inch screen. But as I mentioned before, you get the same quality. Now what you're really losing when it comes on to the 12 mini is around the back with the cameras. So as you can see, the camera layout, we have 3 cameras on the 12 Pro Max and only 2 on the 12 mini. And also, bro, another thing we're missing for the mini is the LiDAR scanner that's been found on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And if you guys don't know what the LiDAR scanner is, it's probably not a big deal, because if you're really interested in knowing what the LiDAR scanner is, you would have known. But just to tell you guys, you're not really missing too much. The LiDAR scanner helps with like low light photography, and also whenever you go into the Measure app, let me show you guys. Honestly, with iOS 14, it's kind of been upgraded a lot, so the Measure app is working fine. The LiDAR scanner on the 12 Pro kind of helps more with detecting edges. So I don't know if you guys can see like that little yellow line right here. With the mini, it doesn't really pick that up for me. As you can see, it's not as snappy on lines, and that's the advantage you get with the Pro Max. As you can see, that little yellow line, it's already telling us what's going on. You're not really missing that much when it comes on to the LiDAR scanner, but Apple tries to make it like a big, you know, point. Another thing is that the battery is smaller on this. Apple doesn't really tell us how much battery is inside, but obviously it's a smaller phone, so you know the battery is gonna be smaller. They're all using the A14 Bionic chip. So just imagine the A14 Bionic chip in this small device, small chassis. you already know the battery is gonna be drained more with the mini. But I'll be doing more battery tests and everything. In terms of the camera quality, they're all 12 megapixel cameras. But as you can see, the Pro Max has an extra one, which is a telephoto lens. So the mini doesn't have that telephoto lens. Instead, we have the wide and also the ultra wide camera, and they all look great. But as I mentioned before, guys, this is just my first impressions on unboxing. And what I can say is this little phone is, I don't know who would go into the Apple store and buy this one. I think the Pro or the 12, the iPhone 12 or the Pro would be like the perfect size on a device. The Pro Max is kind of too big, and to me the mini is kind of too small. So if you want to give your kids an iPhone 12 mini for their Christmas, I guess this would be the perfect one. But come on, who's gonna take it serious like this, bro? Yo, what's up? But that's one last phone like this. Yo, I'm pulling up, bro. I'm pulling up, you know. Nah, but yeah, that's the iPhone 12 mini unboxing and first impressions. Let me know what you guys think about the 12 mini down below in the comments, and also let me know what videos you want me to touch on with the 12 mini. But yeah, as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.